In this tutorial we will learn about the R environment, how to work in the R environment, what are the different features, what are the different components that R has to offer us. Yep. So here is a snapshot of the R development environment. It has two parts. One, we have the R console where we write the commands, where we feed in the values and everything, and there's another graphic device which shows us our plots or diagrams or the images that we import or export. So, and on the top here we have the toolbar at this place. This is the toolbar where we have the common functions: file history, revise, resize in Windows. And so this is about the main layout. Now R is an integrated suite of software facilities for data manipulation, calculation and graphical display. Some of its features are an efficient data handling and storage system, a set of operators for calculations on arrays, a large collection of intermediate tools for data analysis, graphical facilities for data analysis and display, a well-developed, simple and effective programming language S. A very good feature, a very useful feature of R is the help section. To get more information on any specifically named function, the command is help and command name, or you can write a question mark and then write the command name. This would open the HTML help documentation in default browser. Our language is case sensitive, and so are most of the Unix commands, in Unix-based packages. So I can have two data structures, small a and capital A, which will represent different variables. We use the C command to create a vector. We will see all these examples after the slides. Okay, and data can be scanned from the console also using the scan function. You will see how to do it after this. And objects can be removed using the rm command. So let us now go to the R environment and see how it works and work on it for ourselves. So here is our R installation. We have these common options over here. Here we have the R console. Right. So first of all, let us create a data structure. Okay, so let us create a data structure. Right. So here I created the vector 1 2 3 4 5. Let me see what A is. So that is 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. We can also make data structures using the scan function, which prompts us to feed in the values. Let us say so it is asking me the input. I'll write 1 2 3 4 5, say 91 23 54 67 98 12 23 34 45 56 67 and 12 13 34 sorry and 56. Okay, now if I'm done, I'll press enter twice. Yep, so it tells me that it has read 19 items. Now let me see how A looks like. Right, so here's my vector A, which I just created using the scan function. Now suppose I want to remove the vector A, so the command would be rm. Yep, so now if I say what A is, it says error. It gives me an error that object A not found because the object A has been removed. Okay, so this was the basics of how to create a simple object. Let us go to the other options that R has to offer. Let us go to the help option. Now apropos, let us use the apropos option. So suppose I have to search for the scan function. In which functions does scan come? Right, so it tells me apropos scan. There are two functions, one is scan and one is scan.url. So two functions are there which can help me scan. Suppose let me search for save. Okay, so it has 6 functions which have save inside in them. Dot save rds, save.image, save history, save plot, sys.save.image. So this is how the proposed function can help us find out the commands in which a specific term is there. uh, Let me see. Okay, let us. Okay, here we have the HTML help. Clicking on this would open the HTML documentation here. Yeah, right here. So this is the documentation and help manuals for R. Let me go to the search engine and keywords. So here I can search for any words by. Okay, let us search for scan. Right, so it gives me base funct scan. Okay, so these are the search strings which had scan in them. So this is how we use the HTML file, HTML help and documentation for our search results. Let's close this now. Apart from that, we can search the rprojects.org for any help on functions or anything else. Yep, we also have certain manuals in printed document format and introduction to R data import. Rest can be downloaded from the internet. Yeah, it gives us very options for printing, for stopping the current computation, and we can load packages. We can set a CRAN mirror from over here. So right, so this was almost about the R environment. In the next tutorial we will see how we will learn about data objects, how to create them, how to we'll learn about all the kinds of data objects that R has to offer, that are we can implement in R, and how to work with them.